Sairam children, welcome to EVS class. How are you children? Fine? Good. We will start the class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam children. Children, last day we have learned about how the potters make pots, isn't it? In Tata Class Edge video. Today we are going to see a video about how to make a clay toy. Okay, children, let me to take the video. Yes, it will take time. Yes, coming. Children, did you enjoy this video? You can also try
Yes,
to
ma'am.
make
Yes,
different toys. Okay, it was a teddy bear, no? So you
very
can
nice.
also, yes, you can also try. Okay, so to I am going to take the textbook to show something in the textbook also. How can you make a bowl? Okay, so let me to take the textbook. Yes, it is here. Yes. See this one. A bowl from roll of clay. Okay. See, they are rolling and making a bowl using different rolls. Need some clay with water. Keep aside some clay mixed with water. It can be used as a glue. Okay, children. This will serve as a glue to bind two different pieces of needed. See, one, second one. We can join with this, the mixture of clay and water. Okay, it acts like a glue. Then take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati, and like this. This will the base of the ball. See, we can see this one. Okay, little part, and you have to press it and make it a thick, like a thick chapati. So that will be the base of the ball. Now roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake. See, the child is making it like a snake, and you can roll it here. Okay, fix the clay snake on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. Children, can you do this one? It is very easy to make. Okay. Next one is a pot from a chapati of clay. Here the pictures are given. You can see the picture and you can follow the sequence. Okay. We have to first we have to roll it like a chapati and cut. You have to make a base also and cut here and roll it here to make a pot here. See what a beautiful pot. You can also do this one. Can you do this one, children? Children, while doing this activity, our dress will become little dirty. Okay, so don't worry. You are learning to do something, so you can enjoy and you can make this. Okay, children, using clay. Now we are going to see a worksheet. We will discuss some fill in the blanks and question answers there. Okay, children. Fill in the blanks. The process of making clay pot is called pottering. Okay, it was in our video from the Tata Class Edge. The process of making clay pot is called pottering. What is the spelling? P-O-T-T-E-R, potter, then I-N-G, pottering. The person who works with iron is called blacksmith. Last day also I explained this one, isn't it? Person who works with iron is called blacksmith. Now, the baked pots are stronger than unbaked pots. We have seen the last day in the video, isn't it? The baked one, they can bake the pots by using fire or put in the kiln, isn't it? Yesterday we have discussed about this. So, The baked pots are stronger than unbaked pots. Next one. In that lesson, we uh, read a story, isn't it, of two birds, of crow and a sparrow. You know, the sparrow laid an egg. After some days, what happened? The young one means the chick, came out from the egg. So this process is called hatching. So what is hatching? Hatching is the process of coming out of chicks, means young ones, baby bird from the eggs. This is called hatching. Hatching is the process of coming out of chicks from the eggs. So it can be asked in the form of a question. What is hatching? So you can write, hatching is the process of coming out of chicks from the eggs. Here, what is pottering? The process of making clay pot is called pottering. Okay, children. It can be asked in the form of question also. Here I have given here fill in the blanks. So in this lesson we have seen the iron tool used to dig the soil. What was the name of the tool? Yes, trowel. Trowel is the tool used to dig the soil pit from the soil pit. Okay, children. A potter uses a dash to shape the pots. Yes, what was that? It will rotate. Yes, it will spin. That is spinning wheel. What is it? Spinning wheel. So a potter uses a spinning wheel to shape the pots. Okay. Now, bricks and pots are baked in a dash to make them strong. What? Kiln. We have seen in Rutyai, isn't it, children? So, bricks and pots are baked in a kiln to make them strong. It will not break quickly. Okay. So, it makes the pots and bricks strong by baking in a kiln. Okay. Pots can be baked by using fire or kiln. Okay. Can use fire also for and kiln. So, for making the pot stronger, either you have to bake on fire or in kiln. Okay, children? So, these are the filling the blank. The process of making clay pot is called pottering. The person who works with iron is called blacksmith. The baked pots are stronger than unpacked pots. Hatching is the process of coming out of chicks from the eggs. Trowel is the tool used to dig soil from the soil pit. A potter uses a spinning wheel to shape the pots. Bricks and pots are baked in a kiln to make them strong. Pots can be baked by using fire or kiln. Okay, children? Now, some questions are also discussed here. First question is, what are the things needed by a potter to make pot? Clay is needed, isn't it? Water for kneading and spinning wheel, and also for drying. We have to keep it under sunlight. Okay. Next question. What are the uses of clay pots? Yes, we have discussed, seen in the video also. Different process and the worksheet in the Tata class sets. Are you remembering? Yes, we have written in the circle the uses of pots for storing food and water, for cooking, for growing plants, for decorating our house, isn't it? We use it as showpiece. So for storing food and water, for cooking, growing plants, using as a showpiece, etc. Okay, you can add more if you know. Okay, children. Now, write down the process of making pots from the clay. It is a big process. It needs a lot of hard work. and patience also, isn't it? See, first they have to dig out clay from the clay pit. Then sieve the clay. Chana. Otherwise, it will have pebbles also, isn't it? So we have to remove all these dirt and pebbles. Okay. Now, for that, they have to sieve the clay. Then knead the clay to make a dough. Then put the clay on the spinning wheel. For what? For shaping the, yes, pots. Then give shape to the pot with wet hands. The potter uses wet hands to give shape to the beautiful shape to the pots. Okay. Now, next, take out the pots from the wheel and dry it under the sunlight. For drying, how to keep them in under sunlight. Then bake the pots on fire or in a kiln to make it stronger. Okay, so these are the process of making pots. The first one is dig out the clay or soil from the soil pit or clay pit. Sieve the clay, knead the clay to a dough, put the clay on the spinning wheel, give shape to the pot with wet hands, take out the pots from the wheel and dry it under the sunlight. Bake the pots on fire or can to make it stronger. Okay, children. So you can revise it, children. Okay, when you get time, you can do all these things and learn it. You have to learn the spellings correctly. Okay, children. So today we are going to stop the class. We will do Shanti part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram children, take care. Okay, bye bye.